Great innovations are born not from individual brilliance alone, but from minds that dare to collaborate, create, and transform ideas into reality. From June 8 to 13th, the AICTE IDEA Lab at Karpagam Academy of Higher Education became a vibrant center of creativity and innovation during the 6-day professional development program on rapid prototyping IoT and product development. Over the course of 6 enriching days, students work together, share knowledge, and transform concepts into impactful prototypes, demonstrating the true spirit of teamwork and engineering excellence. Leading the way, Team Tech Warriors developed the turbidity sensing kit, an innovative solution designed to monitor water quality and promote safe water resources through sensor-based technology. Team Agri introduced their smart irrigation system utilizing artificial intelligence to modernize conventional irrigation techniques and provide farmers with a smarter and more sustainable approach to water management. Another remarkable team showcased an escalator system integrated with a proximity sensor, enabling intelligent object detection while simplifying operation by eliminating conventional conveyor mechanisms, reflecting precision in both design and functionality. Alongside these projects, Team Alpha introduced Plotify, an innovative drawing machine that uses motor control movement to recreate digital designs and drawing with precision, demonstrating the practical application of automation and mechatronics. Team Problem Assassins designed a smart medicine dispensing kit aimed at supporting elderly individuals in managing their medication schedules. The system provides timely alerts and reminders, ensuring medicines are taken on time and allowing users to acknowledge the alert after consumption. As this inspiring 6-day journey concludes, these prototypes stand as a symbol of creativity, dedication, and problem solving. The future belongs to innovators who dare to imagine, create, and make a difference. Thank you.